So first you need to say driver dot first get me all the windows. Okay, first we need to ask Selenium, let's get me all the windows available which and also which got opened by WebDriver. So for that there is a command called get window handles. Okay, each window it will treat as one handle ID. Okay, if there are more than one window handle IDs, you can give a command get window handles. So it will give you all the windows IDs. Okay, with this step. But you see, return type it is expecting as set of strings. If there are more than one window handle, assume there are three. Okay, you have to, it's expecting set of three strings. Each string is an window handle ID. Okay, if there are three windows, it will return us three window handle IDs. So these IDs are in the form of strings. Okay, one will be parent window ID, next is child window ID, and next is subchild window ID. There are total three windows open. So basically it will return handle IDs for us, this method. And this you need to store it in the set data structure. Okay, that's what they are asking us to do. Okay, here we say set of strings, and let me take into IDs. Okay, done. So this command will bring out all the windows open and it throws into IDs set. Now for example, this how I'll tell you how the set will be stored. Okay, once again, this is Windows 8, right? Yeah. So now if I take set, assume that this is a set, and when I get string handle IDs, so first one will be stored here on the first column, I mean first basket, second one is in the second row, and third one is third row. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Assume there are totally 4 set IDs I have. When I store them in a set, this will be stored on priority basis, first come first serve, 1 2 3 4. And now that's what we done here, and the name of this set is IDs. But if I want in the first ID, in the first set, parent window ID will be stored by default, because that is the window which got opened initially. So when it say get window handles, and when it stored in the set, in the first column parent window ID will be there, and in the second column the immediate child window which got opened from parent window will be there, and in the third column the second child window got opened will be there, and subsequently continues. So it comes on first come first serve. First of all, when it hit this method, it first identifies the parent and stores in the first place, and next immediate child next place, and next the subsequent child in third place. Fine. Now in our case we have only two IDs now. When I hit this command, one is parent and other is child, this one child window. So only two window handle IDs will get and stored in this set. Fine, one is here and one is here. Okay, so keep that in mind. We have now two rows with two IDs, one is parent and other is child. Now I want to get this child ID, I mean basically I want to extract it. Now you might get doubt why I am worrying about IDs of the windows when I want to just switch to that child window. Okay, first let me talk that and I'll come back to set. Driver dot switch. Okay, now if you want to switch to the other window from your parent window, you have to say switch to dot window. Okay, so what window you need to switch? That particular ID of that window, that handle ID, you need to pass as an argument to this window method, so that when you hit this step, switch to window off, wherever it finds that particular ID, to that window driver will be switched, and your Selenium will point to that particular child window. Okay, that all happens with the when you pass the ID into this window argument. So switching is simple. It's a single step. Driver dot switch to window. That's all. But real challenge lies in passing an ID to that window method. That's a challenge. For that purpose, this get window handles will give us all the IDs which are opened by the Selenium. And I am storing it into the set data structure, and my parent window ID is stored in the first column row and my child is in second column. Okay, sorry, second row. I'm just confusing between rows and columns. And the data structure set name is what we have given IDs. Now I want to come to this place and get this ID, and I should place here. That's all. That's the only thing I need to do to run my test cases on child window. I have to traverse here, get this and place here. So how can I traverse to this place in the set? Okay, for that there is a method called iterator. So IDS. Okay, this is our set name, right? IDS dot, you say you will get something like iterator. Basically with that you can iterate to the steps in the set. You can iterate to multiple rows in the set data structure with the help of iterator. So iterator is in Java method. So let's see how can we do that. Iterator, and even this is expecting return type as a string. So whatever it is expecting, just place it in the reference in the left side. Iterator. Don't get panicked by seeing the code complexity. It's very simple. We just got the window handles and now we are iterating with the help of iterator method. Let's give us IT, method name as IT. Okay. Now by default this IT object will be on the top here. So it's ready now to iterate. If you want to go to the first step and to get parent window ID, that is first row, you need to say IT dot next. Okay, so when you say this step, it will come to the first row and it will grab the ID. Okay, place it in. If you say IT dot next, it will be here, and the grabbing ID you can place parent ID. This is string, right? Let me define. Yeah, a parent ID is with me because my control is here. Now I am interested in getting child ID. That means I want to move one more next. That's all. You just say IT dot again next. If you say next again, it will come down one more step. That's all. You need to keep on saying IT dot next till you find your actual window. So here it is in second place, so I just gave 2 times. If it is in first place, just say IT dot next. From the top it goes to first. But here I am interested in the second child window. It moves into IT dot next second place, and this is my desired child ID. Okay, that's it. I got my ID into this variable with the help of iterator, and now I'll write this step. Driver dot switch to window child ID. Okay, I will place here, and now it will successfully switch our control from parent to this child ID. And now I'll print out the title, and now you have to see that the title should be something like why Google asks for your information at sign up. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. Driver dot get title So let me run this. So now before switching, it's create your Google account, right? Now let's run this and see what prints. Editor does not contain main type. Okay, this is something error which we need to restart our Eclipse to work. Okay, let me just give me a 1 minute. I'll restart my machine.